This JMP demonstration will show how to build k-nearest neighbors models in JMP Pro. We're using the equity data from the sample data library. We'll use the k-nearest neighbors algorithm to predict the outcome bad, which indicates whether a borrower turned out to be a good or bad credit risk. This outcome is categorical, but k-nearest neighbors can predict continuous outcomes too. We'll start by going to Analyze, Predictive Modeling, and choosing k-nearest neighbors. We'll place bad into the y response role, and our predictors into the x factor role. If we want, we can specify a validation portion of our data to use for tuning our model, or we can enter a validation column into the validation role. When we click OK, JMP displays a graph and accompanying tables showing the misclassification rates across a range of values for k. We also are presented with confusion matrices for the best value of k, which was just 1 here. Below that, we have mosaic plots representing the values in the confusion matrices graphically. These specific outputs were produced because our response variable is categorical. If we used a continuous response variable, we'd be presented with fit statistics and graphs appropriate for that response type. Additional options, including for saving or publishing the prediction formula, are available under the red triangle menus.